Sometimes we do have mobile apps on our phones and we don't use them, and we feel we want to uninstall them from our phones and then get some enough space. So if Snapchat is one of them, then you need to hold on a little while, because Snapchat is about getting a very good recognition, which is going to help you. And in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to know and why you need to let Snapchat be on your phone right now in 2021. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video. Share to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So Snapchat is actually going to be paying their creators in 2021. And they have already started in some other countries. And I think maybe you might be thinking I'm just saying anything I want, or I don't even know anything about what I'm saying. But I'm going to go to their website and show you a screenshot of whatever they're trying to tell us and why you need to hold on, don't delete your Snapchat, and then get on board so that you also earn this money. So on Snapchat's updates page, this is what they said. Introducing Spotlight on Snapchat. Today we are introducing Spotlight to shine a light on most entertaining snap created by the Snapchat community. Submit your best video snaps to Spotlight for the opportunity to earn a share of more than $1 million that we are distributing to creators every day. Or lean back, watch, and pick your favorites. So that is it. Snapchat is actually going to be paying $1 million to creators each and every day. Not 1 million for a period of time, a month or something. $1 million every day. So this is the time. You know, a lot of people have been creating content on TikTok and Instagram Reels, and they don't get money off them content and all those short videos. I've not seen any platform paying people like what Snapchat is doing now. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube trying to talk about their payments they've had on Spotlight, and some of them are making some handsome amount of money. I saw a guy who made about $5,000 from a video. He got about 200,000 views or something, and that is very, very cool. That is basically cool. So I think this is time we need to just leave this application on our phone and then hold on and then make it be one of the applications we respect on our phones, so that we'll be able to just earn money from whatever we create too. So right now, Spotlight is not supported worldwide, and they are being tested in some selected countries, and per the response they are going to get from those people in other countries is going to be how fast they are going to roll out the updates worldwide. So I think they need a good response before they will see if this is supposed to stay or they need to just get rid of it. So let's check out countries that support Spotlight right now. And if you are in any country that supports Spotlight and you are not yet doing it, then you need to start now. So let's check out the countries that support Spotlight now. So right now, these are the countries that are supporting Spotlight at the moment: USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the UK, Ireland, Norway, Sweden, Denmark, France, and Germany, with more countries coming soon. So they're trying to tell us we need to fasten our seatbelts and then wait for them, because the update is going to be rolled out throughout the world very soon. So it's not time for you to just delete Snapchat. So I hope you see how important Snapchat is in 2021 and beyond. And I think by this time, you don't really have the mindset of trying to delete this application off your phone, because it can make you a lot of money. You know, people creating short content on Twitter and then Instagram can also bring this content right here. And there is one key thing you need to know. You know, this Spotlight don't support watermarks. So if you can't just copy a video or save a video from TikTok and then just post it on Spotlight and you think you're going to make money off it, it's going to be rejected. So it has to be an evergreen content, something very new and something that has no watermarks, and you are just good to go. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because if there are any updates anywhere on any social media, any new application, I'm just going to share with you guys, and you also try your hands on it. So stick around, don't miss anything, and then catch you in the next one.